No! So wow!
Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you liked them.
Baby, you are on my mind. All I think about, and I don't wanna stop. I don't wanna stop.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
Today we are back with a gift swap, a nice Christmassy video.
And we did want it to be a bit more Christmassy, but we can't film in front of the,
No, it's alright. Yeah, we were planning on
filming in front of
the
my Christmas tree, but we can't.
No.
Due to unforeseen circumstances.
Yeah, unfortunately. So we've just got a normal background.
We've got red scrunchie.
But we've got red scrunchie in just to like make it a bit more Christmassy, you know?
Yeah, but we've been really excited for this video, haven't we?
Yeah, we have. We're very excited.
So,
I mean, who doesn't love opening presents and giving presents as well?
Yeah, that's almost as good really, isn't it?
Exactly, yeah.
We had a £30 limit, so it's kind of like a challenge. And I think we've maybe got like 7-ish presents each. I think I've done pretty well.
Yeah, I think we've actually both done 7 presents. We didn't even know that. We've just done 7 presents each, so...
And we had the limit, and that was that.
And that was that.
Might have spent like a few pounds over, but...
it doesn't matter, does
it?
We both have, so it's fine. Yeah. Before we get started, please make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, and leave us a like and a comment.
Yes!
Please.
And shall we just get into it?
Let's do it, yeah.
Oh, who wants to go first?
Do you want to go
rock,
first?
paper, scissors?
Okay.
Okay, ready?
And then whoever wins can decide if they want to give or
receive.
one.
Okay, ready?
Oh
yeah.
Who wants to gift the present or who wants to receive the present?
Open their present. Okay.
Their present, yeah.
Ready?
Are we going to do it on 1 or are we going to do it 3, 2, 1, go, or 3, 2, 1?
3, 2, 1. That's how I do rock. Is that how you do it?
Yeah.
We'll do that. Ready?
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors. Whoa, I did the scissors, she did the rock.
Oh, I beat you.
You beat me.
Right, I'm going to gift you one first.
Exciting. The least exciting one?
No, this is quite exciting.
Oh. Liquidy.
She's already shaken all of them. They've been on my tree for ages.
Yeah, when you had it on the tree and I was shaking it, I guessed it was gin, so looks like gin to me. What flavour is it? Don't tell me it's no, it's bubblegum. If anyone doesn't know,
shake it.
Wow, it's
like
shimmery.
You see that?
Sorry, but where the hell did you find that?
Home bargains.
No way.
Yeah, look.
What the hell?
Yeah, it is bubblegum gin liqueur.
Oh my god, that's so cute. That's a good start, that is.
I thought you'd like that.
Wow. I'm going to crack that open on Christmas Day. No one else will want that though.
No, exactly.
Everyone else find that disgusting.
I bet it tastes like really sexy, but Charlotte will love it.
I love bubblegum anyway. Right,
bubblegum anything. You can't see my scrunchie, I am wearing it.
Oh,
just my pony's not high enough.
Yeah, we need to match.
Look how dark my hair is as well, guys.
I
had it dyed the other day. I'm very dark, very dark.
What do I want to give you first? Let's start little.
Oh, a small one. How exciting.
It's a small one.
I got to this point.
Wait,
stop because I'm doing you're talking outside. Oh my god. Literally, she sprayed this the other day and it smells so nice. So this is the next Nuit. That is such a good present.
If you watched our Primark haul, when I went out to get one of the items, you stole some of my baby. You were like, lovely.
Sorry, Charlotte.
Sorry, Charlotte.
Oh, I'm gonna open. No, I'll open it now.
I'm honestly, so like that. I'm like, right, I'm open now and everyone's just watching you like.
It's literally just perfume, you can wait a sec. And you're like, no, I can't.
Oh, look, how cute is that?
Honestly,
I thought I'd get you a little one for your handbag.
Yeah, perfumes from Next Zara and absolute winners, honestly.
Next, honestly, if you like Chanel perfume, if you like Chanel Mademoiselle, the nude one is so nice.
It's so nice.
Oh, yeah, it's lush, isn't it?
It reminds me of one that honestly, it sounds so weird, but it reminds me of a perfume I had on holiday.
Really?
On a holiday, and I can't remember what it was.
It's kind of like a holiday
smell,
when you smell
it, and then it reminds you of something. But I can't remember what holiday or what the perfume was, but it smells like a high-end one. Yeah. I feel like that's what a lot of the Zara and the
definitely. They kind of, I think they try to replicate them anyway, don't they?
Right, that is a great present.
Good present.
Thank you very much.
Started off good.
Right, along the same.
Because some of mine are quite random, I think. Like some of the ones I've got you.
Along the same kind of thing.
Interesting.
I just went out of focus.
I'm trying to be really careful with my nails. Izzy's just done my nail. Zara, I recognise. I got that from the evening collection. Oh, what flavour's this? That sounds very Scouse, doesn't it?
Yeah, it is, yeah.
Violet Blossom.
I want you to give it a smell. It had really good reviews.
What is it, like a replica of another one?
I don't know, but it had really nice reviews. So
the smell.
Is it like a
Zarahaul? I like them though. Oh my god.
Wow. That is lovely.
Oh my god, that is stunning.
I literally, because I bought it online when I'd done a Zara order ages ago, and I was like,
get that on me now.
I didn't know which one to get, so I was reading loads of reviews. So this one is really nice. It's called Violet
Oh my god, it's so nice.
and it's got a purple top. It says evening collection. Yes, really nice.
Do you know what? It's like sweet, but it's like not like floral. It's like a nice sweet, isn't it?
Really nice.
Oh, please go and get that if you like evening smells, because that is just. Oh, thanks. That was a good one.
You're welcome.
Good one.
Yeah, we've done well so far.
Yeah, really well. Okay, what do I do now? Let's do this one.
Ooh.
Oh, let me take my hair out of my ear.
Interesting. God, I love my presents.
Yeah, me too. And I love watching people making presents. Sorry, I feel like the string's actually becoming a bit of a burden now.
I've just kept my packaging simple, you know.
Yeah, sorry. I shouldn't have used the string.
You use a lot of sellotape as well.
Yeah, I do.
A lot.
Get it off the roll. Very interesting. Wait, there's some pens in there.
Oh,
yeah,
cute idea. The little book of calming calligraphy. Wow, honestly, that is such a good present. Oh, thank you so much.
So you can like practice in there.
So I'm like,
how to do it.
Yeah, I'm like really into well, I want to get into like calligraphy and like writing and stuff. I really like it.
Yeah.
So it's a little book. Look how cute that is. Such
how
like
sweet
a
is
cute
that?
book as
Yeah.
well.
And it's apparently really nice that if you read it, it's really calming.
15 minutes of mindful calligraphy a day to help keep your worries at bay. Well, that's
Isn't
what
that
I need because I have a
cute?
lot of worries.
Lots of anxiety in that head of ours.
Oh, that is so cute.
How cute is that?
Love that. Honestly, that is such a good present.
So cute.
Really nice.
It?
Where did you get that from?
I think Amazon. They do like loads of them.
Oh yeah, they've got some like...
Yeah.
Wow, love that. And she's got me some pens.
Some
so
little calligraphy pens as well.
Lovely. Oh, that is so cute.
I'm glad you like that one.
Like, this one, I mean, it's not boring, but I just know it'll be useful.
Some of mine are boring.
It'll come in useful.
I feel like I've started off with the exciting
Yeah.
one. It'll be useful.
Yeah, it's just like one of those things you'll need.
Oh, okay,
at some
interesting.
point.
Oh, don't even, because I really need sponge. You should see
She
my.
always needs.
You should see my
blenders.
You should see my beauty
Sponges.
blender. It is crustier. You know I like the Real Techniques.
It's got a
ones.
cleanser with it.
Wow.
A solid cleanser.
But where do you find these things?
I was in Boots.
No way.
And I was like, yeah, I always feel like all your sponges are always ranked.
They're really rank. They're really crusty.
But
so
it's got one, I think.
So it's this. Just so you can see.
You can get it from Boots.
So it's got a complexion sponge and mini. Oh, okay. I just really don't want to break these nails. Can you open it? Yeah. Izzy's just done my Christmas nails if you want to see them. Look how cute. They're really nice.
Christmas tree.
So I don't want to ruin them both then.
Yeah, it's got everything's got like little stickers on.
So it's got a big sponge, like a complexion sponge, then it's got a little mini one if you want to do some like concealer underneath your eyes.
I'm glad you like. I felt like this was the most boring one.
No, that's not boring.
Well,
That's
you know
really
what I mean,
not boring.
just like...
But I was in Superdrug yesterday, I think it was, and I was like, God, I really need a sponge, and I just couldn't be bothered to buy one.
Yeah.
It's one of those things.
It's one of those things that you just can't be bothered to buy.
Yeah. Oh my God, that is so cute. Look.
Got a little.
So you've got. There goes the cleanser. Anyway, so you've got like the big sponge here, and then the little one, and then a cleanser. And you know,
soap.
I really like the Real Techniques sponges. I think you knew that, don't you?
Yeah, I did.
And how cute is that little one?
Really cute.
So sweet. No,
and obviously
really
they'll then get bigger, won't they?
Yeah. When you dampen them, they get bigger.
If anyone
That's
has
a really
those
good
before.
present. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh God, I don't know what to go for next now. There's still some in here. There's two.
Is it jam?
No.
Oh, it's a mug.
It's a mug. Yeah, but they're really cute. They're really cute ones. So I got one for you and one for Ellis so you can match.
Oh, that is so nice. Oh,
isn't that so cute?
God, look how cute that is.
Is that
the same?
Yeah, they're the same. So you didn't need to open the other one, but
oh look.
how sweet are they?
I literally love cups like this.
Yeah.
Like, I know it sounds so stupid, but I feel like I drink more if a cup's
So
got
do I.
a straw.
So
I've said
do I.
this before, but it's
Yeah.
just like you can just sip it.
Really cute.
So yeah, I'll open the other one as well.
Yeah, I thought I'd get you. I was like, I had one in my hand. I was like, no, I need to get Ellis one as well.
They
I need to match.
Where did you get them from?
Sainsbury's.
Really cute.
I got loads. I actually got 4 because I was like, oh, I'll give one to Alex, give one to Sophie, and
so cute.
they're really cute, aren't they?
Ellis will be pleased with those.
Yeah, perfect. Good, good. Oh, this is a hefty one. This is a heavy one. Hefty. This is really. Strawberry laces! Did I guess that when
No.
I was
like, no.
I was like, God, that sounds like strawberry laces.
She was like, feeling it, I was like,
is that
no.
strawberry laces? You're like, no. Yum. I'm gonna tuck into them later.
She is a big fan of strawberry
If anyone knows me, they know I'm like obsessed with sweets, and preferably strawberry laces.
Or anything bubblegum flavoured.
Yeah, or anything bubblegum flavoured. Zach's going to be excited when he sees these as well.
Bloody ravenous. This is
Oh,
my
you're
lunch.
starving, aren't you?
Oh, my lunch. This
Wow,
is.
they're bloody long now.
Oh.
You were doing that really nicely. I was like... So this is like a random one I just picked up.
So totally random.
It's just really random, but I just picked it up. I think it was the first one I got you. I was like, oh, that's quite a nice present. It's just quite a cute thing.
Oh,
It's
that
the
is
Christmas
Oh, that
one.
is so nice.
It's got loads of like cute little ideas in it.
Tanya Bear's book. Love that.
Although she came out with it ages ago, it's actually it's relevant for every year. It's
Yeah,
just got
literally.
loads of like little recipes in it, and like,
I love stuff like
loads
this.
of ideas to like for gifting,
Which
and
I love, like
wrapping.
wrapping
Yeah,
and
I
anything
thought
like
you would
that.
love that.
Oh, wow. No, honestly, I can't even look at food at the moment. I'm
No,
so hungry.
you're like, oh wow, wow,
That looks nice. Look at that.
how
Okay.
cute.
Crostini three
Three
ways. That
ways.
is such a lovely
that
present.
nice? Yeah.
You know where that's going to go?
Yeah, on your little shelf.
That is a lovely
Yeah.
present. Love
Thanks.
that. You got me lots of reading material. I love
Lots of
that.
reading material over Christmas, over
Right.
lockdown.
Next one.
Oh,
This is 2 in 1. There's
yeah,
two
this
pre-
does
two
feel like
presents
2 in 1.
there,
Yeah, I
yeah.
can feel 2 things in there actually.
I think you'll be excited about this. 'Cause,
Okay.
Yeah.
This is really easy to open. The open
It just
wrapping
rips,
paper, yeah.
doesn't it?
Oh, no! Now that's
Yeah,
an
I knew
exciting
you'd be excited
present.
about that.
Oh my god! So what? 10 in 1
That's
miracle
what I've got.
spray.
It's really good.
Is it?
Mhm.
I bet that smells well nice. Oh, and a Pal Nourish. Oh, lovely.
Some
Oh,
like
and
little Beauty Works minis.
yeah. So you've got the 10 in 1 miracle spray there.
So it's like a.
It's not
I think
focusing, but-
it's like defrizz. It's like heat protection, moisturising, gloss, shine.
Oh
yeah.
my god, I'm so excited about these.
But I thought that mask looked really nice.
And then you've
as
got
well.
Pal Nourishing Argan Oil Mask, because I'm basically really trying to look after my hair at the moment, because I did have extensions in if you followed us for a while.
Yeah.
And I obviously don't now, and I want it to grow, so these are going to be perfect.
Exactly. that's what I
Thanks, that is
thought.
a really good present
I
as
thought you'd
well.
like those.
I think we're doing well so far.
Yeah, we're
today.
doing really
Yeah,
well.
this
I
is
feel like
really
we're both
fun.
very good at
Good
buying
at buying
presents, to be honest.
These are quite similar, these two, I think.
Mm.
We'll do that. That's a more boring one, I
Okay.
think. I think it is, anyway.
Feels like socks or something.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. They're just quite cool.
These are really cute.
They're really cute.
Oh,
cute are they?
Love those.
They're just like
You
a nice
always
take on
wear Kappa socks,
yeah,
don't you?
they're really comfy.
White and pink ones. Look at that.
They're just like a nice take on our like black and white ones.
Yeah.
Where you can, I feel like they look cute with some grey joggers.
Oh my god, yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
comfy vibes.
Really
love
cute.
them. Oh, that is such a good present. Thank you very much.
No problem. I'm so excited about this.
I know. Right, this is second to last. This is probably the second to best one.
Oh, interesting.
No, just because I've literally, yeah.
What have you
I just think
literally-
it's a good one for
Okay.
you. You just need it.
Okay. Reusable straws. Oh my god, what?
Honestly.
Wait, what? Are they like key rings? You put them on your keys?
It's what you can do, but they like, yeah, I
Can
just
you
can't.
open them? I want to see them.
Yeah.
So they're retractable.
I think. Let me see. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh, and it's a cute colour as well.
Yeah, so I got it in rose gold, and you open it up.
Yeah.
So I'm just like using her present for her.
Sorry, it's good to
And-
demonstrate.
And then that's the cleaner.
Oh my god, a cleaner. Like a telescope.
And there you go.
Wow.
How cute is that?
That is
Charlotte
so
basically
cute.
hates paper straws, and I've said to her so many times like you need to get a reusable. And she's like,
Reusable one.
and you said not that long ago, you was like you shouldn't have said that, and you gave me one for Christmas, and I was like,
Did I actually?
yeah, because you'll forget about that.
Oh my god, I did forget
Yeah.
about it, obviously.
But it's
that
in
is
such,
so cute.
And you literally just put it in here, and then you like thing it up, and you keep it in your bag.
That's
or put it in
such
your
a handy
keys.
present.
And it's got a retractable little brush.
My
cleaner for it.
god! Yeah, because whenever if I go to Spoons or something and they have the paper, I hate paper straw. I know they're good for the environment,
Yeah.
but I just really
But
don't
this
like
is even
them.
better for the environment.
Yeah, exactly.
But
Because we're not using like the paper.
How cute is
How
that?
cute!
And it
That's
just
a
looks
good
like,
present.
Yeah, thought you'd like that.
I feel like this is good for giving people present ideas, isn't it, as well?
Yeah.
Oh
You
my god,
need some
love
last
it.
minute
Gift ideas, yeah.
And literally, like a lot of this stuff I got from like Amazon and things
Yeah,
as
so
well,
did I got some of
which
mine
come
from Amazon.
really quickly.
Yeah.
So.
Oh my god, perfect!
I'm just doing this for us because of her nails. I'm not.
Yeah, we don't want to ruin the nails. Sorry,
I'm
you
not-
can't really see what we're doing down here, can you? But yeah,
trying to screw it
she's
on.
just screwing it on. Oh my god, that's so cute.
But yeah, you can just like keep it in your bag, or you can put it on your keys.
I'm
but
gonna
yeah,
put that on my keys. People are
Yeah.
gonna be like, what the hell is that? It's a straw. It's a straw.
it's a straw.
What have I got in here? How many have we got left now then?
I've each got one present left. to
Oh
give
yeah,
you.
so I've got 2. I
Yeah.
do not remember what any of this is. Can't remember. Let's do this one, because this is kind of similar to the last one, but
Okay.
comfier.
Oh,
These are so soft.
Oh, wow.
Isn't that so nice? I love them.
Smells amazing.
Yeah. They're really nice to put in your drawers.
Honestly, that smells insane. So I've got some cute little, they're like bluey sort of, yeah, blue, aren't they?
Yeah,
blue.
really nice.
Slipper socks, which I literally love.
Yeah.
They are really nice.
Really nice and soft.
And I've got a little...
These are really nice to like put in your knicker drawer.
Yeah.
Because they make your drawers smell so
Put
nice.
my, like,
or even in
bras
your
and
car.
stuff.
Yeah, but putting them in your car.
Yeah.
It smells nice.
Really
yeah.
nice, lovely and soft.
Perfect. Super cozy.
Love that.
Cozy cunt.
Right, this is my favourite one. Honestly, you're gonna love this.
Really? Oh god, I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what to expect.
No.
Oh my god. Wow.
So
do you know what? The other day I was in, sorry, I better tell you what it is first.
Yeah.
Anyway, so it's a little silky satin sleep set. So you get a little mask and you get a scrunchie.
And a pillowcase.
And a pillowcase. I was in Oliver Bonus the other day.
No battery.
Oh god, I was in Oliver Bonus the other day, and they had the scrunchies in there, the silk ones. They were about £15.
Yeah.
Like I'm not buying that, but I needed one.
Yeah.
And
And this is again because of like you're trying to look after your hair.
look
I
after
was
my
like,
hair. Yeah. Oh my god, that's such.
Can we
a nice
open it? 'Cause I
gift.
wanna see
Yeah,
it.
good idea. Oh, these are so nice, like silky pillowcases.
So good
They're
for your
so
skin and your
good.
hair and
Look
everything.
at that colour as well. Look at that on the camera.
Stunning.
And then.
Yeah, it's really good for your
What a
hair.
lovely
and your
gift.
skin
Oh my
and-
god, that is so cute. And then a
And
little
mask.
eye mask.
I literally bought that ages ago, but I was
Did
just like,
you?
yeah.
Oh, that's
Okay,
such a
so-
lovely gift. Oh, I'm really excited to
Thought you'd
shove
like
my
that.
hair up with that because I really need to keep my hair in good shape.
Yeah.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
You did so well.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm glad you liked them.
Okay, so here's your last present, but I obviously got you another thing as well.
Oh yeah.
I wouldn't necessarily say that's the most exciting bit. It's a nice present. There's quite a few things in there. Yeah.
How on earth have you bought all of this for 30?
I got that on Black Friday.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
There's just loads of random things.
Wow, love it. I've got loads of Morphe makeup.
Yeah, lots of Morphe stuff.
Which we all know I love.
I don't even know what that colour is. That's like the only one they had left, so I just got it.
Is it a lip liner or an eyeliner?
Lip liner.
Oh.
Lip liner. Yeah, some of these things, like with the bronzer, you'll probably need to have a tan on first because it's quite dark.
Yeah,
But
it's alright.
yeah.
It's alright. I like to be bronzed.
I like to be quite bronzed.
Ooh. Oh, that's nice.
Nice. I just got myself the same.
Yeah.
Because I was like, oh, they'll come in handy, won't
They
they?
did such a good Black Friday sale, didn't
Such
they?
a good. This palette was so affordable.
Was it?
Yeah, really, really affordable.
Blend the rules. 19 neutral territory.
Neutrals.
Ooh. Have a look. We'll get it out. Show
We'll get it out to show you all. How stunning is that?
that. Beautiful.
Lots of nice
oh, we
browns.
can see the camera.
And you.
Wow, lovely.
Really nice, isn't it?
Really nice. Oh, thank you so much.
Let me just get your little extra thing. This is kind of, it's just like a really last minute thing. I was like, wow, that would be really, really cute. It's in this like card, but I didn't get your Christmas card, so I thought I'd just put it in there. But
Is he an Ellis?
yeah, is he an Alice? It's an illustration of you
my
guys.
god, look at that.
How cute is that?
Oh my god. So
basically I paid for a digital version,
Yeah.
so I just thought I'd print it off so you see what it like.
Oh.
And then I'll forward it to you.
Yeah,
and then
we
you
can
get.
get. Okay, right. Well, the quality's changed as usual because the camera's died. Because I
I'm just gonna set up a little
can't
bit.
remember to charge it. Oh, you can see my scrunchie better now. But honestly, I'm obsessed with that.
That's
I can't
really
wait to
cute,
show
isn't
Alice.
it?
That is so cute. Also,
Isn't
you
it?
just printed it out and then
Yeah,
I can...
I've just printed it on
Yeah.
our like photo paper at home, so it doesn't look.
Oh.
It looks nicer on my phone than the colours look nicer.
Yeah, and
but-
we can like get that framed or
Get it
something.
framed. How cute is
Oh,
that?
thank you so much. I love
No
everything.
problem. I love everything.
We did really well, I think.
Really well. It's the end of the video, basically.
that's
We
it.
really hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah, we thought this would be a really cute Christmassy
Christmas
video.
video, and even though we're not in front of a Christmas tree, but
Just like
hopefully
vlogs.
we made it Christmassy for you.
Yeah, exactly.
And yeah, we will be back probably in like a week for another one. Do you
Yeah,
think?
we don't quite know what's going to happen over the
No.
Christmas period. Obviously, with the whole rules changing and everything like that, we don't really know what we're going to be able to film, to be honest.
Exactly. So we'll probably see you in about a week for another video.
Yeah.
But please make sure you subscribe to our channel.
Leave us a like and a comment.
And yeah, we'll see you soon for another one. Thanks for
Thank you.
watching. Bye.